Let's see how to create attributes and with the block. I'm creating one rectangle of height 60 by 120. You can take your length according to your requirement. I'm taking just some lengths. I will copy this. Add 12 distance and again 12 and again copy and 12 distance. Now I'm adding one line. And I'm copying one more line at 12 distance. Or we can remove this line from here. You can take according to your requirement how you want to create this title. Now I will add a text here by using mtext command. I'm typing T, enter, and adding a text. The text I want to write here, project title, and we'll specify a height to block. I'm giving a height of 2 and click OK. Now we'll place this where we want to place. I want to add here. I will copy this text. While taking copy command, I will copy it all the locations. And we'll edit it. Now here I want to write drawn by here. By double clicking I want to write it client name and here we'll add date, here I want to add scale, here I will add sheet size. Now we'll provide attribute to this. For providing attributes, we can go to insert option and we can go to define attributes, or we can type ATT enter. We having a different type of modes of attributes here. Now what this mode means, the invisible mode, in this we can add that attributes that we don't want to display after. Like it contains some information that need to hide, and in constant we can provide a value that which having a fixed value. For verify we can provide a correct values only this to a block, and present will use a default values that we want to set for a block. Log position, it is used to log the location of attribute with a block reference, and this is used to write a multi-lines of text, like you want to add address or anything. So you can choose according to your requirement which text you want to add. Here I want to add some fixed values like which some here I want to add some attributes value to the box. Here I want to add a tag. Here I will give the promote message and the default, the value, attribute value that we want to provide. The tag I want to add as a project title. While writing in a tag, we don't need to leave a space, because if we add a space, that will not take, because it show error. It does not take a space, so don't leave a space here. Now here you can write a message or you can leave it blank. I'm writing again project title. Now here you want to write project title. I'm writing block creation, block and attributes. Now you have to specify a height of your text that you want to do. I'm giving a height of 1.5 and we'll place this project title where we want to place. Now again you can copy this project attribute that you have given, and you can copy this where you want to locate it. Like I want to place it here, here and here, here and here. Now we'll create it as a block. Let's see. We'll take option, create block, give a name here. I'm giving a name of this block, this as a title, block. I'm taking this option as a pick point. I will pick point and will specify your objects. This is my object. Now here you can keep option what you want to do. I want to convert into block, and now I will do OK. Now here I can change all the values that are added here. Now you can change it. Now here we'll give the values from down to upward side. The block is written here, block and attributes. Next that we have given, that is drawn by. We can give a name. I'm saying drawn by chair. Now we have to write a client name. I'm giving a client name, XYZ client name. Now you have to give a date. I'm giving a date 12/08/2020, and we are adding scale. I'm giving 1:1 and the sheet size is A4, and click OK. So we have defined the attributes in our sheets. Now this will become a block with an attributes. So we have completed this topic.